Hi, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today, I want to review this new idea that we learned about subtraction and the strategies that we use this week to solve subtraction number sentences. So subtraction is when we have a large object and we are trying to make a large group and we're making it smaller. When we have subtraction, we use the minus sign. The minus sign, and this is what our minus sign looks like. We learn that subtraction is the opposite of addition. Addition is when we want to make a number bigger, and subtraction is when we make a number smaller. We learned a crossout strategy. The crossout strategy is when we take a group that of objects that you draw, or you might take a group of blocks and take some away, and you're going to cross out as you go. Right now, I'm going to turn to my board, and we are going to practice one addition problem using the crossout strategy. If I have a group of 5 objects, I would draw my 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would write out my subtraction number sentence. I know 5 will be my biggest number, and we know that the biggest number is going to go in that first space right there. And if I cross out, let's say I want to take away 2. I'm going to cross out 2 of my objects. And I'm left with how many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I use the crossout strategy to show me 5 minus 2 equals 3. Alrighty. The other strategy we learned this week is using a number line to subtract. I'm going to share my screen with you in order to review that strategy. So in front of me, we're going back to our number line, and we're going to start off just by making space for a number sentence. So I have my first number minus my second number equals, here we go. All right. When we have a number line, we start with our biggest number. I'm going to pick the number 8 today. Okay, here I go. And when I use a number line, I have to jump backwards. I'm making my number smaller. So let's say I want to do 8 minus 3. I'm going to jump back 3 spaces. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. When I do that, what number did I land on? Did you find the number 5? That's right. So we use the number line to jump backwards and show us that 8 minus 3 equals 5. Today, you're going to practice using these strategies to complete an activity in Seesaw. I'm so proud of you this week for learning a new skill and new strategies that we call subtraction. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back, and don't forget to check out Seesaw to complete the task for today.